Located in the suburbs of Mumbai, Palghar district has been anonymous to India and Maharashtra, giving employment to more than 22,000 people in Palghar city alone. Here is a community of committed individuals known as JP who are always focused on people's health and well-being. Its dedication to collect the right raw material by trustworthy importers from the USA, Australia, and entire Europe to legitimate traders. After going through careful stringent tests, each raw material gets approval for further processing. Then each of the raw ingredients are brought into the production house to create exceptionally excellent and delicious taste for consumers. In process, firstly the material is dried so that all the moisture content gets removed. It helps to eliminate pathogens and improve consistency of the product. Then the material is shifted to a place where uniform textures are provided to each and every batch which are ready to get dispatched. After getting the textures, the blended content is carefully transported to the filling area and packed with semi-automatic machine which controls humidity and temperature to maintain product's standard quality. A well-planned lump sum area of 1600 square feet with 99% cleanliness is used for production and filling of our branded products. The brand JP has been working in protected health and well-being field since long time, and its branded products comes in powder form as well as in wide varieties of capsule and tablet forms. There are two automated sachet filling machines along with rapid mixer granulator, tablet compression machine, tablet coating machine, capsule filling machine, and blister unit, which are dedicatedly installed on a separate area of 2050 square feet. Regular team meetings are organized to improve quality of our products, which helped us to build a committed and a healthy work atmosphere. Holding more than 30 years of experience in the pharmacy and machinery industry, Mr. Shravan Singh Rajpurohit has been a mentor to the masses throughout his career. He always quotes that our anxiety is quality, not quantity. He has provided the biggest possible room with latest technological equipment to the quality management department for analyzing and testing of any ingredients at its level best. To check the protein content on the final statements of the label, we have acquired the Geltron system of highly imported raw material, which has been extensively tested to see its efficiency and finally packed in own labels. Delivering TQC, that is trust, quality, and consistency among billions of Indians. Our devoted technical director, Mr. Kartikeya Rajpurohit, who keeps eye on all the scientific, economic, and social trends, has a dream to make every technological initiative in the sports and fitness field. Being with the health and supplement products, aim is to deliver top quality and wide range of JP brand merchandise to the whole world.